Namaste to all students. This is my video tutorial on the topic transportation in plants. As we earlier discussed that transportation is the movement of substances like respiratory gases, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water, nutrients, hormones, wastes from one region of the body to another. In the same context, now we will talk about transportation in plants. In plants, transportation of materials like food, water, minerals takes place through conducting tissues called xylem and phloem. Xylem is responsible for transportation of water, whereas phloem is responsible for transportation of food. Xylem transports water and minerals from the roots to all the parts of the plant. It consists of xylem vessels and tracheids, whose detailed study you have already done in ninth standard. Water and minerals enter the roots by the process of diffusion. Then, due to transpiration, the suction force helps in the upward movement of water in tall trees. As you can see in the diagram on the right side of your screen, that water molecules which are absorbed from the soil by the roots are transported to the tree trunk through xylem vessels, and then the evaporation of water takes place from the stomata of leaves. This is called transpiration. This transpiration generates a suction pull which helps in upward conduction of water in tall trees. This is called transpiration pull. With the help of this flow diagram, we can easily understand transportation in plants. As you can see, loss of water through transpiration creates a suction pressure. Absorption of water and minerals takes place through the roots. Upward pull of water and minerals, and finally it is transported to the upper parts of the plant. This process is called ascent of sap, and this has all happened because of xylem tissue. Xylem transports water and minerals in plants only in one direction, that is from roots to the aerial parts. Through this animated video, you can understand how the water is transported upward. And evaporate into the atmosphere through the stomata of leaves. Now let's talk about the importance of phloem. Phloem transports food from the leaves to other parts of the plant, and this process is called translocation. The phloem consists of sieve tubes and companion cells, whose diagram is given below. Food from the leaves is transferred to xylem by the energy of ATP molecules. There is no energy requirement for the transportation of water in xylem, as xylem is a dead tissue. But because most of the components of phloem is living, so living tissues require energy. And ATP molecules, which are called energy currencies of a cell, provide energy for this purpose. Due to osmotic pressure, water enters the phloem and helps in transportation of food. Food through the phloem is transported in both the directions.